Hello friends, today we'll be learning about warning signs of cancer. It is usually denoted by a mnemonic called caution. Caution itself means warning, okay? So let's see what each letter stands for. C is for change in bowel or bladder habit. If your bowel and bladder habit changes from the normal routine, it can be an indicator of cancer. A is for a sore that does not heal. A sore also means a wound. If there is a sore in your body, anywhere in the body, it can be in your mouth, eyes, anywhere. If it does not heal in a normal manner, if it is not healing for a long time, it can be a sign of cancer, especially in case of mouth cancers. U is for unusual bleeding or discharge from any body orifice or cavity. If there is bleeding or discharge without any cause, without any non cause, it can be a sign of cancer. T is for thickening of lump anywhere in the body, especially in case of breast cancer. A lump that grows over time and becomes more thickened is always a sign of cancer. Not always, but yes, it is an indicator. I is for indigestion. Indigestion is almost related to bowel and bladder habit. Okay, if you are not able to eat properly, swallow properly, if your food is not getting digested properly, it can be a warning signs. O is for obvious change in wart or mole. Everybody has mole and warts in their body, but if there is a change in their size, if it's getting more thickened, if it's getting more darker or change in color, if there is a discharge or bleeding from your mole, then can be a sign of cancer. N is for nagging cough or hoarseness. If in otherwise in case of fever or cold, if you're having hoarseness for a longer period of time, and if it's really affecting your larynx or vocal cord and everything, then it's a sign of cancer. Better consult a doctor. Thank you. I hope you guys have understood.
Wow, that's impressive! You have completed a magic today. For more videos, subscribe. Join our Facebook group and Instagram page for group discussion and live magaz videos for exam preparation in an hour. We start at Classfly community for students to learn from a friend in a simple way and support them in their own languages. If you are willing to be that one friend who saves us at the exam night preparation, then please join us by visiting classfly.in.